everybody out there in VW Life Land. Gary here with number one's grandson, Sam. Sam, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Yeah, you're good. What are we gonna do today, buddy?
We're gonna put some new seats here in Jerry.
Yeah, we're gonna attempt to put new seat covers in Jerry on the Westy seats. These are from NLA VW over in the across the pond, as they say. So stick with us today here on VW Life. We're gonna do some Volkswagen work. We're gonna actually work on a Volkswagen.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna try putting new seat covers in.
Yep.
Wish us luck. Stick with us, everybody. All right, this is from NLA VW over in the UK. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, look at this weird packing material. It's like shredded up cardboard. That's interesting. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh. Got a nice magazine. Probably a parts catalog. Product catalog. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go crazy ordering just looking at that. There's one part of it there, and here's another part there. C9568 to go with C9567, and C687, and C688. There's a lot of pieces so far, buddy. Oh, I know what this must be, the major part, C9691. And then here's some C9571. I don't know what that's for. All right. Well, we'll put this all back in here. I have never covered Westy seats before, so we're going to see what happens. I bet we're going to have to take that seat out, Sam.
Yeah, that's probably what we're gonna have to do.
I bet you. There's some light on the situation. So, you can see the seats are pretty bad shape. Look at the edge right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's torn.
And there's torn, two different colors. So let's try replacing this jump seat first.
Okay.
And then we'll do that one. Does it sound like a plan, Stan?
Yep.
All right. This one, you can see, has snaps. So I'm hoping this just snaps in place and we're good. All right, so we're gonna undo these snaps. Look at that. Ew.
It's in bad shape.
Yeah, it's in really bad shape. So I gotta get something to undo those snaps. And then look here, there's some nails in here. So we're gonna see these little tools and see if that helps. So, well, that one went through, so did that one. And so did that one. So we can grip it. Oh, there we got that one. There's the snap. Oh, that's working pretty good. Look at that. Isn't it? Look at that.
It is.
It's like it was made for that.
Yes, sir.
Little snaps. They're just a... Oh, I wonder if the original ones are snapped in the same place, though. We shall see. All right, so let's open this little guy up.
Yep, easy peasy.
So then we just stretch it over like that.
Seal it all the way around.
Yep. Fits in there good, doesn't it? Look at that.
Yep. Nice and snug.
Okay, and then this piece
Goes on the bottom of it.
goes inside there. Oh, it's gonna be tight. It's supposed to be, right? You want a nice snug fit. That's the key. Look, you mush it down.
Then it'll work.
Yeah.
Gotta find a new button here.
So let's see if we have any snaps.
Down these snappables.
No snaps in that department there. We'll look at the next one. Ta-da!
Snappers.
Snaps.
How many do we need?
Well, I'm just gonna dig through here and get a good one. All right, you can leave that open, buddy.
Okay.
All right, let's see. So I want to be consistent. That had the screws on that were not Phillips head; they were flat, and these are all Phillips head. Look at that. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
So I gotta go with the flat.
Now what we're doing right now?
Just cleaning up the threads a little bit. That snap looks pretty clean, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'll need to clean it off more.
Okay.
Did it work? You got new one
It's in there, but let's see if it snugs down.
Gotta tighten it up.
Oh, look at that.
Ah.
We're good. Nice. So don't worry about those creases. They'll go away.
Finished up that last screw.
Look at that. Looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yep, ready to be put in Jerry.
This is from our friends at Light Sticks. We'll put this little guy in here.
Haha.
Let's see how we get him to work.
Put it in the front there.
Want to stretch across here? Yeah. Look at that.
Ah, perfect.
Okay, so 9687 is the back seat cover. Started.
Just to go ahead and latch it on.
Yeah. What do you think?
It's probably gonna work. But I believe in you.
Okay. Going good so far.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Does this go around it?
Yeah, I think we'll just do it. We'll put that up there like that. Get set and we're done. That guy's off. Okay.
Never can.
All right. So I'm undoing these 17mm nuts on these T-bolts. Talking about something that hadn't been undone in a long time. There's no telling what kind of treasures we might find.
Yeah.
So don't forget that 8 that's in there. What a contraption. That's probably the hardest thing we're gonna do.
Yep.
Are you helping?
He's doing his part by doing nothing.
And by doing nothing. Willie, the big helper. What'd you just do, Sam?
So we built this and nailed it in.
Screwed in.
Screwed in. Sorry.
The hinges.
All the hinges, buttoned it. It's pretty much finished with this now. We've done that piece.
Yeah.
Also.
Yeah, that just slips on there. So now all we gotta do is just put that in there.
Yeah, and
do the back one.
But that one's not gonna take it.
Yeah, probably not tonight. But we are making good headways. So I think what we should do now is we should put the rock and roll bed back in here. What do you think?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right. You good?
Yep.
I'm coming in. Coming in. You guys will show back. There you go. There you go. Okay, so see, we still have to go back about 6 inches. Bring them back.
So right now we just put the seat back in, and now we're just tightening the bolt down there.
Well, Hoss, day 2. What do you think?
I think we can finish it within an easy amount of time there.
What do you think, Willie? What do you think? Well, we got the rock and roll bed is in, although I'm changing that one bolt because I didn't like it, it was too long. And so then we're gonna put in the jump seat.
Yep.
And then we're gonna do the back cushion, and we're gonna set that outside so it starts heating up in the sun, right? So day 2 of the NLA VW install on the Westfalia SO42 seat covers. It's going pretty good, wouldn't you say?
Yep.
All right, so stick with us and we're gonna keep at it. Here we go. Put it in.
Okay.
Watch your step.
This is gonna be a little.
You gotta get it around that cabinet there. Careful.
That hit the wood.
There you go.
There we go.
Nice. Yeah, it'll take a while for it to settle in there. We did it!
Yes.
I don't think we'll put the other junk on there right now. I'm gonna let it kind of flatten itself out.
The flat seat. Anyway, we rigged this up, put it back in. Now we're just putting all the crap back in it.
Here's our electrical.
We got some s'more sticks.
Oh yeah, let's put those in. S'more sticks. Oh, we got some s'more still on there. This is a shore power fan, right?
Oh yeah, I don't know what that means.
It means it runs off of regular electricity.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, there you go.
Then here's, don't know.
That's like a little miniature stove.
Oh.
Look here.
Huh.
Little Coleman stove.
Oh.
In case our other one doesn't work, we got a backup. We won't go hungry. All right. Oh, we got a few things to stick in the extra beanie. Map of Texas. Phone charger. Use that a lot. Gary Jr. Earbuds. Extra Volkswagen hat. In case you need that. This goes in that little cubby right here.
What's that knife for there?
In case we got to skin a deer or something.
Nice. Can I hold it?
No.
Oh, dang it.
Yeah, This is just a nice little cubby for stuff. Hat, in case you need an extra hat.
Oh yeah, a little open pocket there.
Yeah. Nice little stash. Jump seat. Put this in. Here we go. Jump seat.
Very usable.
Z-bed.
Great.
Looks pretty darn good, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
I'm very happy. That was a major project we got done, buddy. First of all, thanks to folks at NLAVW for sending us this SO42 mustard vinyl set. Wasn't too bad.
No.
I mean, if you think about it, it took us, I mean, you can do this easily in a day.
Yeah.
I mean, it took us 2 days because we just started yesterday afternoon. So that was pretty good, wouldn't you say, Hoss?
Yes, sir. Also, big shout out to Benjamin Harden down in Abilene, Texas.
Oh,
watches a lot of our
A-Town.
videos, and yeah, big thanks.
Yeah, giving a shout out to one of your crew, huh?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. We got a shout out to one of the crew over there up there in A-Town. Thanks for your help today, Hoss.
Yeah.
You're an awesome job. Thank y'all for joining us on this episode of VW Life. We accomplished something, and we got a lot more to go. But Jerry the Bus, after 20 years, has a new vinyl seat covers. That's the first time that I've done those in over 20 years. So that was a good deal to get those in. Make sure you check out NLAVW. They got some cool stuff over there. Their catalog is amazing. They got lots of good stuff. We want to say please like and subscribe, and tell your friends and tell your aunts and tell everybody you know about VW Life.
Best channel out there.
Oh, there you had it right there. Until next time, we'll see you guys. Thanks, everybody.